Important features of different types of business. Different types of businesses vary widely in terms of their structure, operations, and objectives. Here's an overview of some important features of various types of businesses. Sole proprietorship, ownership owned and operated by a single individual. Liability, the owner is personally liable for all debts and obligations of the business. Taxation, profits are taxed as the personal income of the owner. Control, the owner has complete control over decision making. Ease of formation, simple and easy to start with minimal formalities. Partnership, ownership owned and managed by two or more individuals. Liability, partners share profits, losses, and liabilities according to their partnership agreement. Taxation, profits are typically taxed as personal income of the partners. Control, partners share decision-making responsibilities. Ease of formation requires a partnership agreement outlining rights, responsibilities, and profit-sharing ratios. Limited liability company, LLC, ownership owned by members who may be individuals, corporations, or other LLCs. Liability, members' liability is limited to their investment in the company. Taxation can choose to be taxed as a pass-through entity or a corporation. Control, members or managers manage the company depending on the structure chosen. Ease of formation requires filing articles of organization and creating an operating agreement. Corporation, ownership owned by shareholders who buy stock in the company. Liability, shareholders have limited liability. Their personal assets are generally protected from business debts. Taxation, subject to double taxation. The corporation pays taxes on profits, and shareholders pay taxes on dividends. Control, shareholders elect a board of directors who oversee major decisions and appoint officers to manage daily operations. Ease of formation, more complex and expensive to form due to regulatory requirements and ongoing compliance. Non-profit organization, ownership, no owners, governed by a board of directors or trustees. Liability, directors and officers have limited liability, similar to a corporation. Taxation, eligible for tax-exempt status if they meet IRS criteria. Donors may receive tax deductions for contributions. Control, governed by a board of directors or trustees, operates for charitable, educational, religious, or other purposes. Ease of formation requires formation documents, bylaws, and application for tax exempt status. Cooperative, ownership owned and controlled by its members who use its services or buy its goods. Liability, members' liability is limited to their investment in the cooperative. Taxation, profits are distributed to members as patronage refunds, often taxed at a lower rate. Control, members have equal voting rights regardless of the extent of their investment or patronage. Ease of formation requires a group of individuals with a common need or interest to come together and organize. Each type of business structure has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice depends on factors such as liability protection, taxation, control, and long-term goals.